Rationalising the denominator. So here is our basic example or our basic rule. So if we have 1 over the square root of a, so a being some number, and we want to rationalise the denominator, so that means we don't want a surd, we don't want a root in our denominator. We don't want an irrational number in our denominator, we want a rational number in our denominator. What we do is we multiply above and below the line, so the numerator and the denominator, by root a. So we have 1 over root a multiplied by root a over root a. And the reason we can do this is because root a divided by root a is just 1, so you're multiplying by 1, so you're not really changing the value of this. Then we do top by top, 1 times root a is root a, and bottom by bottom, root a times root a just gives us a. So we see we have rationalised the denominator. We do not have an irrational number in our denominator anymore. It is now rational. So let's say we had 3 over root 5 and we wanted to rationalise the denominator. We would multiply the numerator and the denominator by root 5. So 3 times root 5 is 3 root 5. We just stick them together. And root 5 times root 5 is 5. So now let's say we have 4 over root 7 and we want to rationalise the denominator. We multiply the numerator and the denominator by root 7. So 4 times root 7 is 4 root 7. And root 7 times root 7 is 7. So here we have rationalised the denominator. We don't have an irrational number anymore, it's now rational.